Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how I have drawn this beautiful silhouette watercolor painting. So let's get started. I am going to use Camlin Transparent Photo Color, Brusco Mop Brush, Brusco 300 GSM watercolor paper and black fine liner pen. Before I start painting, I am going to take all the colors that I will use for the whole painting. At first I want to color the sky and the background, so I am wetting the paper using a mop brush. Now I am applying the color of the background and sky. After finishing the first layer, I want to let the paper dry for 5 minutes. Now that the colors are dry, I am applying a second layer for the sky. Now that I have completed coloring the sky, I will let the colors completely dry. I am peeling off the masking tape to reveal the white border line of the painting. This process is very much satisfying. I am drawing the barbed wires using the black fine liner pen. This is the final painting. I'll include the link for the painting in the description box. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Very soon I am going to upload another tutorial video like this. Until then, take care and be creative. Bye bye people.